So there's a message coming through for a specific collective right now. Use your discernment if this is meant for you or not. You're going to know deep down. I just keep hearing, expect the unexpected. So let's dive into this. You have been manifesting certain things. I'm hearing a new car. Some of you are manifesting a new car. Some of you are manifesting your career change. Some of you are manifesting new living situations. And some of you are manifesting deeper commitment in a romantic relationship. Whether it's one that you are desiring, like a brand new one, or some of you are in a committed relationship right now and you're desiring a deeper commitment with it. And I'm just keep hearing, expect the unexpected. Over the next 6 months, there's a massive transformation taking place for you. And your life is not going to look the same as it is right now. Ooh, I got goosebumps from that. Whole body chills. Okay, whole body chills. Don't try to figure out how it's going to work out or when it's going to work out. Now there's a song coming through in my head. Everything works out in my favor. Everything works out in my favor. It's always working out in my favor. I attract good love. I attract good things. Good money, good karma always comes to me so frequently, magnetically. Manifest my dreams like 1, 2, 3. So expect the unexpected. And I'm also hearing expect more than what you're asking for. So if this message is for you, click, click, click. That's not a click, it's a beep. Beep, beep, beep. If this message is for you, you're somebody who's been doing the work, the inner work. You have been into the trenches of your own psyche. And you understand your shadow deeply. You are not afraid of your shadow. If you don't know what I'm talking about right now, then this message is not for you. Okay? But if you're somebody who has been really excavating through your subconscious mind, really befriending your shadow, giving your shadow love, really nurturing yourself, taking care of yourself, really turning inward and getting balanced within your own mind, within your heart, and recalibrating these frequencies, the heart and the mind-brain coherence. Yeah, heart-brain coherence is what I'm hearing right now. If you're somebody who's really been doing that shadow work, this message is for you. And I feel like you've been doing that shadow work over the last 6 years. Specifically, the last 4 have been really intense initiations. And you making leaps, taking leaps of faith, taking jumps is what I'm hearing. So I'm hearing don't try to control the outcome. You have no idea how good it is. Okay. They're also really emphasizing the need to be detached and in the present moment. So just going with the day-to-day life. There's a vulture flying around right now as I'm saying this. Really not being attached to the past, not being attached to the future, just being in your present moment, in the day-to-day reality that you are living. And everything's just gonna unfold. So like I'm seeing like, okay, I can't explain what I'm saying. It's like breadcrumbs, but they're not breadcrumbs. It's like little golden nuggets. So I feel like, okay, thank you, Spirit. Little golden nuggets of gifts are being handed to you. Like you've already started to see the fruits of your labor. You've already started to taste that deliciousness of those fruits. But there's a whole ass harvest coming through within the next 6 months. I have whole body chills. There is a whole ass harvest coming in over the next 6 months of things that you have been manifesting and desiring in your life. But don't be attached to where it is. Don't be attached to how. Don't be attached to when. Because that's going to make this whole process of it unfolding so not fun. You're going to be stuck in your head. Get out of your head. Some of you are really like, Where is it? If you keep saying that, my friend, you're going to be on a hamster wheel of where is it? Instead of actually just allowing it to come in for you. Does this make sense? So this is your sign from the universe that your inner work that you've been doing is not for nothing. You have completely shifted the way that you look at yourself, the way that you look at reality, what you believe about reality. You've shifted that so deeply. And your external world is now going to reflect that internal shift that you have made. And it's happening over the next 6 months. Wow. Your ancestors are very proud of you. You've been the one to heal your bloodline. Specifically now I'm talking in with feminine energy. You have been the one to heal your bloodline from generations of oppression and repression. Repression, right? Yeah, like holding back and also being oppressed. Pretending like things are okay and also being held down is what I'm hearing. I'm seeing chains right now. You had chains on you that were from your ancestral line, and my love, you have unlocked those chains. And now it is your time to fly. And your ancestors are with you, guiding you. They're by your side. You are very powerful. You are very loved. And it's just, there's like a really calm, I'm feeling like, oh, thank you, Spirit, whole body chills. It's like you're kind of still in the calm before it gets a little, what's the word? Not wild, not chaotic, because that's not the right energy. It's like you're in the calm before the storm, but the storm is the surge. Oh, thank you. The surge of your blessings, the surge of your manifestations. You're in that calm period right beforehand. You are never going to be this version of you again. So enjoy every minute of it, because your life, it's like a roller coaster. It's like it's about to pick up, you know, when you're building up the momentum, you're going up to the top of the roller coaster, right? And then all of a sudden it's like, whew! It's like, ah! That's what's happening. You're in that buildup, and you're about to drop. And not drop like being like fall on your ass. You're about to be gifted the surge of your blessings. Over the next 6 months, your life will never be the same. Wow. If this message resonated with you, drop a 4-leaf clover in the comments. I want to know if you made it to the end of the video. I just opened up my April books for one-on-one sessions. They are already starting to fill up. So if you are interested in a personal reading or a Reiki healing or a shamanic cleansing session, go check out my offers. I would be honored to hold that space for you. Everything is linked in the description or in my bio. And check out my workshops if you're somebody who's desiring to learn Reiki or, you know, understand the universal laws. I have amazing online workshops that people are really loving, and it's so exciting for me to get the feedback from you guys. A lot of you were like hesitant about doing an online Reiki course, and then everybody is so excited, saying that they loved the attunement process. They love the way that I teached it in my style, and it just makes me really happy. I'm absolutely honored to be holding these spaces for you guys. It means the world to me to also receive such positive feedback from you. And check out the Dove Tribe. I have a conscious community online where we are connecting with each other during our spiritual journeys, and we're sharing with each other. We meet 2 times a month for channeled messages, Reiki healing sessions. It's our community circles. So go check out the Dove Tribe, and yeah, I would love to have you in that space. We would love to have you in that space. All right. If you made it to the end of the video, drop a 4-leaf clover. I love you so much. Have a beautiful rest of your day.